Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set 2-inch page margin in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to set 2-inch page margin in this document. Go to the Layout menu. Click the Margin drop-down menu, then choose Custom Margin. Then write 2 on our keyboard to top, left, bottom or right margin. Then click OK. And we can see we set the 2-inch page margin in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.